Second.
Oh, there you go. Yes.
Go get it.
Poor kid's gonna have all of his sports mixed up.
No, he'll just be good at all of his sports.
Okay, go shoot it
Okay,
again.
put it down again.
Get on the other side of it, Zach. Get over on that side. And
Swing this
it
way.
Try to hit it to your daddy.
Zachy, can you try to hit
Put it right here. Put it right, no, and then stop. Put it down.
Put the ball down.
Whoops, a little too far. Now swing.
Okay, that's
Are you
fine.
gonna swing the ball or swing the club?
Now swing it. Hit it this way. Zachy, hold the club right.
Can you hold the club right? Want some help? Yeah?
Zachy, you gotta hold the club right.
One hand at the top. Yeah.
Almost.
Right? Come here and hit the ball.
Now hit it. That's great.
Now hit the ball.
Here, try it again.
Yeah.
Try it again.
Put it right there for you, okay?
Okay, ready? Swing. Whoa, nice job.
Zachy, right here. Okay, ready? Come here.
Move,
and
dog. You're gonna get smacked in the face by the club.
Bella,
Go.
better move.
Okay, ready?
Don't hit me too hard.
Put it like that. Ready? And swing.
Good job.
Where is it? By your daddy's name?